Welcome to Contour Image, where finding and embracing your true beauty is possible. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn any polish into gel polish. I like gel polish because it's durable and lasts a really long time. So if you've ever had a favorite polish and it isn't gel, here's how you can have your favorite colors last a long time. I have already prepped and shaped my nails ready for polish. If you would like to see how to properly remove cuticles and shape and prep your nails, you can check out my video in the description below. I'm using this beautiful wine red from Zoya called Vanessa. You will need a gel foundation polish to help adhere the color to your nails and the top coat to keep the color lasting and give it that finishing gel look. I'm using this LED lamp to set the polish. The first thing you'll want to do after prepping is apply the gel foundation. You'll want to cover the whole nail with even strokes. And cap off each nail end. I decided to show you one more nail applying the foundation just to be for certain that you can see how it's done. After you applied the base coat on all your nails, you're going to set the polish using the lamp. For this polish, it only needs 60 seconds. Once that's complete, you can start applying the nail polish. There are two ways to make a polish into gel, and I'll show you both ways. You can decide which one is right for you. The first and the fastest way is to take the clear gel top coat and mix it with the color polish. To do this, you will use equal parts of the top coat and the colored polish. I'm using a clean nail brush from a nail polish I don't use to mix and apply the polish on my nails. And here I'm using a silicone mat to mix the two. You can also use a small bowl. You may notice that I'm using a simple technique to apply the polish without getting it into the cuticle or on my skin. If you'd like to learn how to apply this technique and how you can have perfectly shaped polish without runs, including how to fix the polish from bleeding if it does occur, I'll have this video in the description as well, since dark polish and red polish seem to always run into this problem. The benefit to this first method is that it will take less time, but the downside to it is you will go through more polish faster and there will be a bit more of a cleanup. You can then set the polish for 60 seconds in the lamp before applying a second colored coat. After setting the second coat, you'll want to finish it off with the clear top coat. Set it for 60 seconds in the lamp, and you're done. Now the second way will take a bit longer of time to finish, but the benefit to applying it the second way will be that you won't go through so much polish and you'll have less of a mess to clean. The second method will be that you will apply the regular polish directly on the gel foundation without mixing it. So you'll apply the color polish after setting the gel foundation. Now before you can apply and set the gel top coat, you must make sure that the color polish is completely dry to prevent creping in the polish. When the gel polish sets, it shrinks a little. If the color polish does not completely dry before, it will wrinkle from the shrinking. This may mean that you will have to wait between 1 to 2 hours. And that is the finished look to creating any nail polish into gel polish. I have another video that explains how to properly take off gel polish when you're ready for another nail look. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay beautiful for life.